Welcome everybody, and today I want to show you how to fix the contrast problem on Analog 4 just to adjusting its contrast inside of the unit. For that purpose you will need a few instruments, a small screwdriver, a few or probably one T10 Torx head and the special hex. I don't know exactly what size it is. It is for undoing these 6 screws on top of the faceplate. Let's begin with the proper preparation. You need to remove the power source of your unit and start undoing these 6 bolts. A few of them may be tight screwed in, and all you need is carefully apply leverage like that, and then you can undo it with quicker. As well, for the purpose of removing the face plate, you will need to remove all those buttons, knobs of the encoders, and I'll show you how to do that properly without damaging the shafts of encoders. Let's go and pick up those resistors. All you needed is to make this kind of shape grip on your fingers, and then you start pushing on the faceplate and pulling up the encoders button caps. Now we have all of them removed, and we can pick up and see what's going on inside, like this. And all we see are 2 flex cables, which we will need to be detached. But first of all, we need to ensure we didn't damage our faceplate with dings and any kind of discoloration. And now we can, now like that, just pull this connector up, bottom one, and you will be able to remove faceplate. Now we need to align it and place it on top of those 2 sticks. Now we need to apply, I believe, Torx 10. Yes, it is T10 to unscrew all of these bolts. Sometimes they also kind of tight, and you need to apply a stick, a handle, just a handle to unmount it. We can pick up the board over here and then flip this one. Here you can see the resistor which is needed to be adjusted. I'll show you. So this one, we will apply a small screw right here. and then turning the unit on. And we can find the proper amount of contrast for us. As you can see, it can be so weak, but we need a balanced amount of contrast. It can be too much, too weak, like absolutely too much. And the balanced is above of a little, when you have slight amount and some more. I can even try to look on top of it. Can it be seen correctly? No problem. Okay, now we will get back. We are going to assemble unit, detaching the power supply. It's in the beginning posture. Now I am again disconnecting this cable, and that, then to attach them you need to hold the connector like that, and align your fingers to the left and to the right, because left connector is not suitable and it's not easy to align it. Now we can check how unit is working. The screen is good looking contrast, and all we need right now is to assemble the upper part, handles, and everything else. Screen is perfect. Thank you everyone for attention. You can fix your unit by adjusting your contrast and be happy using your instrument. Have a good day, everyone.